We're not going to stay anyways. We've got to go.
Do that shit till you pull up on the road and get out.
Garage door open, this is between the garage. Where's the lock for the garage? You didn't give it to me. If she told you she'd have it, you could ask her. Do you want me to take that down to the table for you? No, I'll just hold it.
Christmas TV. Too much, right?
Yeah, you gotta have that way. I was like walking around, so it's cheap. I'm gonna call.
As most of them say.
I get tired of walking.
No, if,
The vacant soda bags. One's up through it.
I was gonna say, if you wanna add him up,
No, that's no problem. Take your time.
I ain't no hurry. Trust me.
I was supposed to pull those and I didn't.
Do what?
I was supposed to pull them.
You can if you want to.
You don't care? Because she wanted them for the cleaning. I was just gonna replace them. Thank
No,
you.
honey, I don't care at all. You told me to mark them off my thing.
I did.
New t-shirt. That's right. And then,
These are all 10 apiece.
10 apiece?
Yeah. See, this one's marked too. I'll do 5 on the Reba's. If you want.
Okay, so what I owe you now with everything?
33.
33.
Honey, I ain't gonna do the batteries. I'm just afraid. My husband went and said, why'd you buy them?
You do 30?
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate you.
Thanks,
There you
sir.
go. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Take it easy.
Damn, I narrowed down. Oh,
You did good.
I'm cheap. I don't know much of nothing.
You got $3 discount. Back at the crib, got a couple things, not that many, about 5 things, 3 shirts and a couple items. The stuff was kind of priced kind of high there, like $8, $10 for certain figures, stuff like that. And so I didn't get a lot, But the stuff that I got, I think is worth some money. So let's see what I got. First things I got right here I'm gonna talk about is this little Furby thing. It's like a 1988 Furby. It's actually in great condition. I took the batteries out. There's no battery acid or anything in there. I put what this is worth on the screen. I forgot, but it's worth some good money, I believe. A lot of these Furby things, especially if they still work, do pretty good. I've had luck like that in the past. Luck on them in the past. Got this thing. I don't know what it is. I did a Google search, and a couple people had these listed for over $100 a piece. I was like, wow, man, I got to pick this up. It's a nice little detailed, what is that? I don't know what kind of bird that is. I don't know. Anyway, I got it because I believe I paid $8 for this. And this was $5. I bought a couple shirts, which I probably shouldn't have, because when I got up there, she was like, oh, $10 a piece. And I was like, ugh. But I wear a lot of vintage shirts. Reba McEntire. I don't have any of her vintage shirts, and I know people love her, so I got them anyway. But I knew these shirts was probably going to be between probably, you know, $25, $30. Nothing crazy. So $10 is like, you know, it's whatever. I'm not making a ton, but I'm just into this type of thing, so that's the only reason why I got them. When I got up there, she ended up charging me $5 for this one and $10 for the other one. So I was like, okay, I'll take that. So I ended up spending $33 for everything. Take that back. She offered $33, or the price was $33. I offered $30. She took that. So really, I don't know. I don't know. You may as well say I paid $30 for the shirts and then these were for free. Let's say that. So I guess I can get it. Got a good deal. Let's say. Anyway, so I got this Reba McEntire shirt. It's early in the morning, man. It's like 5 something in the morning. 1998 Dale Earnhardt. That's a nice one. That's a front and back one. You know what I'm saying? Then I got this nice Reba. All right. And like I said, these are probably worth, I don't know, I have to look them up. Once I look them up, I'll let y'all know what they're worth. And yeah. And that's about it. That's what I do, man. I go in there and get a couple items and I'm done, right? Anyway, so y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.